Okay. What is the homework I gave you last week?
Research on processing.
Have you done that?
No.
Okay.
Are you smart?
I didn't get you.
Are you smart?
No, beta.
No.
No.
You're not smart. Yes.
No. Sorry.
I will
You
ask you simple questions.
okay? You can ask me, but my answer is still no.
1
Mm.
plus 1?
2,
2 plus 2?
4,
4 plus 4?
8,
8 plus 8?
16.
What is the first question I asked you?
Am I smart?
Huh?
You asked me whether am I smart or not.
You are smart.
Thank you, beta.
Here one more question I will ask.
Go ahead.
Are you smart?
Yes.
Then spell it.
Do you want me to spell S or do you want me to spell smart?
First, spell it.
Which one do you want me to spell?
Anything you can spell. Spell it.
Anything. ANYTHING.
I told her.
You told me anything you can spell.
No, your wish.
You want me to wish something?
No.
Hmm.
Are you smart? Then spell it. Name it. Name it.
What to name it?
Are you smart? Then name it. Name it.
Name what?
Huh?
Name what?
Name
Name what? It means what are you asking about?
Name it. Be silent. I should tell something to mama. Are you smart?
I'm not smart, beta. Please leave me alone, no? She left, no?
She's here only. I want to take 5 minutes break.
Oh, take 10 minutes, beta.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, come. Go ahead.
Mama. Yes, now we almost finished the Stone Age.
Mm-hmm.
Did I told you that about we started second lesson in
Mm-hmm.
social? Okay, we
No.
started second lesson in social. Social, that is Stone Age. In that in olden ages, the past people were dividing the generations into like Stone Age, Bronze Age, Iron Age,
Mm-hmm.
and in Stone Age, uh, Paleolithic Age.
Patriotic, you said? What is
Yes,
it?
means the old age,
Mm-hmm.
old age, old age,
You
and
can get
Mesolithic age.
you can get your textbooks if you want. It would be easy for you to go through them.
Okay, to bring it. And Mesolithic age means
Because what happens is if you talk to me without looking at your textbook, you may tell me mistakes and I am not sure about them, so I will accept as them.
okay. Yes,
Go ahead.
the, s- the Stone Age and its period.
Mm-hmm.
Paleolithic age or Stone Age, Old Stone Age,
Okay,
Mesolithic,
take your notes and write that spelling. Oh, after Stone Age, what did you say?
Mesolithic age,
Before Stone Age,
uh,
you said something that starts with P, right?
Paleolithic age.
Yeah, I want you to take the notes and write it down, the spelling. While writing, read it out. Now write it one time. After the class, you should write it 10 times. It's like homework for your next class.
Okay. Paleo,
The pronunciation, you can Google it, okay?
Paleolithic age. Okay.
Spelling,
Write a one. Yes.
spelling,
Yes.
spelling, spelling, spell. I ask you spelling for that word.
Paleolithic age.
Mm-hmm. Spelling.
Paleolithich. Yes. I see.
Okay. Next.
Mesolithic age. Mesolithic.
Write it down. Write it down one for one time right now.
Indian Boost.
We too have. Wait, let me get show.
That is dollars or rupees?
Dollars only.
Uh, wait. This here it will be 5 rupees. In that also it will be dollars.
So actually here like yeah, here I can't see anything. It just says not uh not for sale in India. So that's what it says.
Mesolithic Mesolithic age or Middle
Did,
Stone
did,
Age.
did, did you write it down?
Yes, I wrote.
Okay. And next,
Uh, Neol
yeah, whatever you feel hard to pronounce, you should write them. Okay.
Age, Old Stone Age,
Mm-hmm.
Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age,
Mm-hmm.
Neolithic Age, New Stone Age,
Mm-hmm.
Chalcolod. This is
Write it down. If you cannot
uh,
pronounce,
Copper Stone Age. This is Copper Stone Age.
mm-hmm.
Something. I'll write. Wait, I will tell the spelling.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Chalcolithic. Chalcolithic age.
Okay. Next.
Four are there. Over. In Stone Age only four are there.
Okay. Next.
Uh, Next we are
So,
learning about
okay.
Paleolithic age.
Mm-hmm.
It is uh 2 million, 2 million BC to 10,000 BC.
Okay.
Means
So
those many years.
okay, wherever you write that spelling, okay, beside it write that date, the other years as well.
Okay.
You should understand, you can write it as you wish, but you should understand whenever you look at it, you should understand so that years belongs to that period. Okay. Next.
Um, Next, the Paleolithic age comes from two Greek words. Paleo means old and Litholytics meaning stone.
Mm-hmm.
Therefore, it is also called Old Stone Age.
Okay.
Okay.
Nomadic.
Nomadic
Mm-hmm.
life. They were always on move in search of food and water. They hunted wild
Okay.
animals and gathered fruits, nuts, roots and eggs for food.
So write down nomadic life.
Nomadic life.
Nomadic, NOMADIC. You just read it right somewhere. So you could not find that word, Midun?
Tools.
Nomadic
What?
life. Nomadic life. Did
I
you find
get
it? Okay. Next.
tools they use. Archaeologists have found some of the earliest stone tools made and used by Stone Age people. Humans, humans. Some of these tools were probably used to cut meat and bone chop fruits, dig the ground to collect edible roots, and to chop wood. Some may have been used to make weapons such as arrow heads of for hunting.
I want you to write down
Means
the archaeologist. Okay, now explain.
means they use stone tools made and used by stone age humans. And they means they made sharp, and they were with the stone only, they were cutting the stone and making it sharp.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, this picture.
Got you. So they were not having the knives and also they were just making everything with stones and using them for their living, right?
Yes.
Okay.
In Bhim
Mm-hmm.
Betka, Madhya Pradesh,
Mm-hmm.
they found caves. Means some tourist people
Mm-hmm.
went to in the forest. In
Mm-hmm.
the forest, the caves were there. It's so dark. So they used the torchlight. So there were there were stone paintings, color stone paintings. They were amazed, and those archaeologists this were did research, and they note that olden people did this in
Okay.
paleology.
All right.
And discovery of the fire
Mm-hmm.
means I told you that they were like this only, they were beating the stone and it got fire
Mm-hmm.
whole forest. And in that forest animals were there.
Mm-hmm.
They know not to cook and they don't know fire.
Mm-hmm.
They know fire, but how to light fire they don't know. Only
Okay.
while thunder comes they know.
Mm-hmm.
So that one guy was means making the, now I showed na, like that he's making a hand axe. While making, the fire got burnt and
Mm-hmm.
whole forest animals were dead and burnt. So what
Okay.
happened? They went to see to save humans. So animals were there. They were means burnt now. They ate them. They ate
Mm-hmm.
them. They looked very tasty like that. They were, but
Okay.
they don't know how to cook.
Mm-hmm.
So they don't know what to do. Means he just do they want to do like this. But if they do, they thought that whole forest will be in fire.
Mm-hmm.
So like that only. And they thought to do means one wood piece was there
Mm-hmm.
and one small tin stick they were rubbing, doing a hole. It got scratched and got fire for that. And it
Mm-hmm.
was means light like this. And they thought like that and they discovered. Not in they were discovered means no cooking at in that what in here not there. But ma'am told 1 million 1,50,500,000
Mm-hmm.
years ago they know how to cook.
Okay.
Mm. Now
Do you have pencil with you?
pen I have.
You cannot underline it in textbook, right, with the pen? Because you are taking time to write down the in notes, right? Like if you have pencil, you can just underline them now. Later after the class, you will have a whole week to write them down.
Okay.
Underline everything, okay? Like whatever I have just mentioned before.
Story of fire is over, and in this that is happened in um,
Paleolithic age, huh? What is?
in Paleolithic age.
Mm-hmm.
Age. In this textbook, do you know it's there? I'll read that. Archaeologists have found traces of ash in the Karnool caves in Andhra Pradesh. This shows that people were familiar with the use of fire. Means they used, and so much means in the caves the
Do you know who is archaeologist?
yes
What are
means
they?
like a detective.
Yeah, the
Means
people who like do investigate about.
researchers in
Yeah.
some places.
Yes, about the olden age and all, you know.
Yes.
So so they found ashes and all in that place. So from that they got to know that so the olden people who had lived in that period which you mentioned, Paleolithic or something. So with that ashes they got to know that they already know about the fire like that. You know? Did you understand what I said?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
And we are now in Mesolithic age.
Mm-hmm.
Mesolithic age is 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC.
Okay. Underline that age as well. Did you do that before? Go ahead.
And the word Mesolithic comes from the Greek words meso meaning middle and l- same.
Mm-hmm.
Stone dollars means
Mm-hmm.
life. The Mesolithic age was a transition phase between Paleolithic age and Neolithic age. Means old and new bit middle is
So the
called
first stage is
middle stone.
Paleolithic age, and the
Yes.
last stage is Neolithic age, and the middle one is Mesolithic age. That's what you said.
Yes.
Okay.
Means the last one is that Chalcolithic age.
Oh,
Chalcolithic
Chalcolithic age.
Chalcolithic age. Chaleolithic age, I think.
Chalcolithic age.
Chalcolithic age. Okay.
You do one thing, no? Just underline it, and after the class, you check the pronunciation and let me know. Okay. Next.
Underlined.
Next.
And they means they improved from Paleolithic age. Means they started fishing, and once they were eating fruits, nine that seeds, those all they'll throw down. They'll dig mud and so like that rain, sun, and what happened? They saw that one plant growing, and they noticed that how to grow plants.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the Stone Age, Iron Age, Bronze Age, are prehistoric age.
Okay.
Means they don't know writing and don't know to speak.
Okay. So now the meeting will stop. Okay. So take 10 minutes break and come back if you want. Okay, come back.
Mesolithic age, they were started
Mhm.
living in a means if they are in here they were living in other forest for a few days and coming to their own forest like that
Mhm.
trips.
Migrating, they keep migrating from one
Yes,
place. Mhm.
like that. And like that they were doing, and and they were started
Okay.
fishing like in this picture means they make their in the food they made the fishing is the most important occupation.
Okay.
They were fishing like this.
Okay. With the tools which they made with the stone.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
and and the and they were learning cooking.
Mm-hmm.
So so they started eating more fruits.
Okay.
means me, Means they started growing crops like that.
Mm-hmm.
So in Neolithic age they were
Mm-hmm.
start they made farmers and
Mm.
pots they made,
Okay.
and they were living inside means underground they were
Mm-hmm.
living. So like that they made some more tools like this.
With stones or else the two or with the other tool.
Wood.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Evidence of growing barley and wheat and rearing sheep and goats for Indians means they started means people in villages they'll keep buffaloes and those all no.
Mm-hmm.
So like that they were and they note that buffaloes give milk.
Okay.
So they they like that. And in this Chalcolithic age, they started
Chalcolithic.
building.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, they started building uh, kacha houses,
Okay.
and like that.
Mm-hmm. So is the lesson done? Now just tell me in one line, like explain all the ages in one line. Like what does Paleolithic age means? What does Mesolithic age means? And what is
Okay, Paleolithic age means old age.
okay? What are the like? What is the difference among all the ages? What is the
Means
one major?
development.
Okay, okay. See,
And
mm, mm,
Paleolithic age to Chalcolithic
mm.
age, they started finding fishing, uh, and from Paleolithic age to Chalcolithic Chalcolithic age,
Wait, beta. It's let me see its pronunciation. Okay, Chalcolithic age, beta. Chalcolithic age.
and they started building houses and pots. They started cooking in pots, and they were started selling that milk.
So I'm asking is like you will get a questions like what is Chalcolithic age and what is Paleolithic age. So you should be able to write few points about each age. That's what I'm telling.
Stone age.
Not Stone Age, beta. You have four different periods in Stone Age, right? Again. So when you like you may get questions like what is Chalcolithic age? Okay, like that you will get questions. Then you will be able to explain that like it is one of the stone ages, and like this is the period from this year to this year, and in this period the major change is this. Like that you should be able to write.
Okay.
That's how you should and yeah, like whatever the words we have underlined, you should write them 10 times each one, and also write down the homework. I ask you to put a book for this, right? Every day, like so that you can
Yeah,
write down.
that words now. That I should write.
Yes, whatever the words you underlined and noted, you should write them 10 times each, and you should learn how to pronounce them. Okay, do you like use mobile or anything, or else you can go and ask your teacher directly. You can do anything, but you should be confident about their pronunciation, and you should know their meanings as well. Spellings, pronunciations, and meanings. Whatever the words you have underlined, write it down as a homework. So what's the homework?
Words I noted that I should write 10 times, and I asked to ma'am how to spell that words and how to write that spellings without seeing.
Okay, and their meanings as well. What does each word mean? Note it down. You'll forget. When I ask you next week, you'll forget. Okay. And yeah, what else?
And and uh, I should do this means I was not attempted this when ma'am is giving this exercises. So I'll write this without try to write this without.
Okay, go ahead. Make sure the spellings are correct. Okay.
Fire.
Perfect. Now, what else we have to talk about?
How about math?
Go ahead. What did they?
And we finished the large numbers means till 1 crore, 2 crores, like that. And
Okay.
international international number system, national Indian number system. Indian number system means there are hundreds, thousands, ten, 10,000s, means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 1 crore, 10 crores.
Perfect.
And in international system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Still here, same like Indian system. From
Mhm.
that, 100,000 system,
Mm-hmm.
1 million, 10 million, 100 million, and 1 billion.
Understood.
After that, 10 million, 10 billion, 100 billion. After that, 1 trillion, 100, 10 trillion, and 100 trillion. Like that.
Perfect. You know all of their spellings, right?
Yes.
Okay, next.
Next. And we learned about Roman numbers.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Roman numbers means in the country Rome,
Mm-hmm.
they will not use 1, 2, 3 like means how we write numbers. They'll not use
Mm-hmm.
means they'll use like one I, two eyes, three eyes, four IV, like that.
Okay. So how many Roman numbers you were able to learn till now?
Means not line, but I can write till 3,000.
Is it? You can write
Yes,
3,000? Can you write and
yes,
show me how to write 49?
9. VLIX.
Wait, let me see. No.
Hmm?
See, why did V comes first?
Hmm? X, X,
Correct.
X,
X, X, L, then IX. That's what you said, right?
XLIX.
Okay.
Now tell
99?
us number.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I'll write that Hindu Arabic numbers.
Okay.
Let us shoot it.
One not. Okay, I need to give that right. Okay, first tell me what is Roman number for 100? No, you just tell me.
See,
100 C, 50L, 50L, 100C, 500M.
huh?
What is Roman number for 50? Is it C?
50
Hmm.
100
I am asking everything one by one. First, tell me for 50,
50 L
100,
C
500.
D.
Sir,
Huh?
are you sure?
Yes,
Okay, 10,000.
1000 M.
All right. Now thank you. So yeah, now I will give you a Roman number, note it down, and write in the Arabic number for the same. Okay. Mm. Okay. CM
CM
V.
CMV. 905.
Perfect. Next. Okay, beta. I'll ask one more question and I can get to know that you know about it. LDXII.
XII. How can it possible to come?
Why not? Which
Fine.
one? Which one are
Again,
you not understanding? Sorry.
I know that answer, but that is a wrong number.
Why it is wrong?
I know. C, D, for 450 it will come. C, D,
Correct.
and
Correct, beta.
L. C, D, L it will come for 450.
Understood. Yeah, you are perfect. You can. Yeah. You don't need any questions about Roman numbers. What next? So how do you write 450?
C, D, L.
Minus 100 and you add 50 from 500. Got you.
Yeah.
Understood. Next. What happened to your Gulliver's Travels?
Ma'am explained chapter 1 till what I told, and
Mm-hmm.
ma'am gave notes. Ma'am will give grammar in this week after June only, second chapter. We can
Okay.
know.
Yeah, you until then you can watch movies and all about that series, you know. Did you try to search for them, Gulliver's Travels like that? Let me see if I find something. Do you know the spelling of Gulliver?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I just want you to learn all the spellings, okay? What
Okay.
whenever you find some hard word, okay, every day make a separate notes and write all hard words over there. At least learn 10 to 20 words each week.
I heard that in sixth class those running notes will be there.
Yeah, leave over sixth class. You can start it from now itself. No,
Yes, my science ma'am is giving.
I'm not. See, I'm not talking about the running notes. I'm talking about the new words.
Okay.
Then the more new words you learn, the better you speak.
Okay.
You getting? The better you speak and the better you write. You don't need to by heart all the answers whenever teacher says.
We
If you
just
know,
need to know
yeah,
the
if
topic.
yeah, you need to know the topic and you need to know more words
Yeah.
and its spellings. Then you can write down your own answers. Are you
Okay.
getting my point?
Yes.
So every if what happens, you will learn more words and you know their meanings, and then you know all the topics. Then you don't need to by heart and sit and by heart and like tell your mom answers. You directly go to the exam, you write answers with your own words, with the words you know and the topic you know, just like you are explaining me all day.
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So what should be your goal?
To learn new words and to know the topic of any lesson.
Exactly. Okay, that's why I put a new separate book for the word and all the words. Okay, just every day, just put the heading like subject and write the words. Whatever you hear new words, just write it. If you cannot pronounce it, ask the teacher then and there itself. You know,
Okay.
and meaning as well if you can,
Okay.
so that it would be easy for you to come and explain me. You know.
Those meanings will be there in the lessons. What there'll be hard words. There'll be means shaded, and
Mm.
at the bottom of the
Bottom.
lesson of or a page, the meaning will be there of the word.
Then yeah,
Shaded
then
word.
yeah, first yeah, then you can learn them. Okay, what even
Those will learn. So some of them are not shaded, which we don't know.
then
Those
you can ask. Mm.
ma'am will take and give us in the notes.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. But still, you can write, right?
Okay. Yes.
Mm. Yeah, there are movies on Gulliver's Travels if you want to watch better. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, you can just Google, you'll find there are five movies. One, two, three, four, five movies. You can watch, okay? Whenever you get time.
Okay.
Anything else? Go through social and maths and Gulliver's Travels. You have nothing to do about it. And Telugu, Hindi, English, Telugu, Hindi, and science.
Means that Hindi, those lessons will be same like English. Those lesson will be in Hindi, but Telugu and this value education, GK, general knowledge, these classes will be not so done that much
Mm-hmm.
because these are half days only. Main subjects are there. No computer also that much.
Okay. All right. Do you want to talk anything?
No.
No? How will you celebrate your birthday?
Very nice. I said 12 o'clock. I cutted cake, and at morning I went to temple.
Mm-hmm.
And after coming to home, uh, my father said he will take to forum and buy that hoverboard, what we call.
Mm-hmm.
I told no because I don't have that much time to go that much far. I
Mm-hmm.
told no, and we went to this Raichandani mall, and we was enjoying. Uh, we got phone call that Nitin Damu came to our house. So after coming home, we
Mm-hmm.
ate biryani and played
Oh, nice. Who made biryani?
hits and that. Later we took some biryani
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right.
outside.
Okay. All right then. So you are not doing homework. You should do it at least this week, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Just do the homework, okay? And uh, keep in mind whatever I said to note the hard words and about the topics, so that it will be very, very easy for you during the exams and all. Understood?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay then. All right. We'll catch up next week. Bye.
Okay. Class is over.
Yeah. You then, okay. We'll Saturday only next week. Don't
Okay.
what's the time now?
9:52.
So 9:50 minutes. So Saturday 7:30. Okay. We'll catch up. Remember the timing and don't do anything in that time. Okay. We'll connect.